Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are continuing the previous topic that was about the bacterial diseases. Today we are again discussing some of the bacterial diseases like leprosy, diphtheria, etc. Now first, let's see about leprosy disease. One of the bacterial diseases, leprosy is also called Hansen's disease. Dr. Hansen in the year 1873 discovered bacteria Mycobacterium leprae in leprosy lesions. In 2009, that is very recently, a new species of Mycobacterium, that is Mycobacterium lepromatosis, was discovered by investigators. Now, the pathogen for leprosy, we are now having two pathogens for leprosy or Hansen's disease. One is Mycobacterium leprae, another is Mycobacterium lepromatosis. Mode of transmission is through prolonged contact. Incubation period, it is variable. It can be from 1 to 5 years or 5 to 20 years. The signs and symptoms of leprosy: appearance of light-colored patches on the skin, thickening of the nerves, partial or total loss of sensation in the affected parts of the body, accompanied by fever, pain, ulcers, skin infections, deformities of toes and fingers. Now, the diagnosis for leprosy or Hansen's disease. There is a test which we call as LST. Lepromin skin test is done for diagnosing leprosy. Treatment. Till date, no vaccine is available for the treatment of leprosy. However, patient is treated with DDS, diamino diphenyl sulfone, MDT, multi-drug therapy, which is recommended by the WHO in 1981. MDT is a combination of rifampicin, clofazimine, and dapsone. So this was about leprosy, the pathogen, mode of transmission, incubation period, signs and symptoms, diagnosis and treatment. Now we have one more disease, that is amongst the bacterial disease, other bacterial disease of humans, that includes diphtheria. The pathogen for diphtheria is Corynebacterium diphtheria. Mode of transmission, that is through droplet infection. Incubation period of the disease is from 2 to 5 days. The symptoms of diphtheria include sore throat, fever, hoarseness, swollen lymph nodes, weakness, difficulty in breathing. Diagnosis of the disease, that is diagnosis of diphtheria, it is diagnosis done by the Schick test. Schick test is named after its inventor in 1910 to 11, Bela Schick, a Hungarian-born American pediatrician. So diagnosis of diphtheria, diagnosis of the disease is done by the Schick test. Treatment. A triple antigen vaccine is available under the name of DPT vaccine. It is for 3 diseases: diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus. Furthermore, antibiotics like erythromycin, it is meant for the children who are older than 6 months, and intramuscular penicillin, it is for younger ones. So this was about the bacterial disease diphtheria. Now we have one more bacterial disease, that is whooping cough or pertussis. Mostly this disease afflicts children under 5 years of age. Pathogen for pertussis or whooping cough is Bordetella pertussis or B. pertussis. Mode of transmission is through droplet infection. Incubation period is from 10 to 16 days. Symptoms of whooping cough: it includes whooping sound, the face becomes red during coughing, convulsions, runny nose, and fever. These are amongst the symptoms. Diagnosis of pertussis or whooping cough is done by laboratory test. Sample of mucus from the back of the throat through nose is taken. Other tests include blood test. Then there is PCR, that is polymerase chain reaction. Treatment of whooping cough or pertussis is done by the vaccine, that is DPT vaccine. Diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus. It's a triple antigen vaccine. It is used for during first 6 weeks of birth. So this was about a few more bacterial diseases. Some other disease will be in our next offline class, inshallah.